Well, I have literally just finished my last exam for the semester. I am now officially done for, I could say, the winter break, despite the fact that it's absolutely boiling hot out there, and I'm just feeling so relieved. I've definitely worked like super hard. I'd say even more so over the last few weeks, getting all of my last assignments done and my exams and everything. But yeah, I just feel so happy now. I've got a few weeks to relax before going back to uni towards the end of July. So as I said, feeling super relieved, and I'm just going to go out now and meet Tim because he's been out for the last couple of hours, just so I've had a bit of kind of calmness and quietness to do my exam, which was online, so I got to do it at home. It was great. It was all open book, had all of my notes and everything. I think it went okay. I think the plan is we're going to get a coffee from McDonald's or maybe like a frozen drink because it is really hot out there. Despite being nearly 3:30, it is burning through this window. So I'll see you out. I actually can't believe it's so boiling still. So I'm just walking up towards uni, or like towards the bus station to meet Tim. Back where I've literally just walked, see that little bridge there? We actually saw a big snake earlier, so I will insert a couple of clips of that. It was a red-bellied black snake, which are venomous, but I don't think anybody's ever actually like been seriously injured from being bitten by them. So it was pretty scary, but pretty cool to see at the same time. Now back from McDonald's, so you would have seen that I had like I think it was like iced caramel latte with like cream and everything on. That was really good. So just walked back home from Macca's, and I've actually got a few other little treats lined up for the evening to kind of celebrate me finishing my first semester of uni. So there's a couple of little treats that Tim has bought me, which was very kind, and also the other treat that we have planned is that we're actually getting Domino's for dinner tonight. Well, we're going to have it tonight and then the leftovers tomorrow, so very excited about that. Going to get that ordered in a minute. So the Domino's pizza has now arrived, so we've got 2 pizzas and 2 sides so that we can have pizza inside tonight and then pizza inside tomorrow. So I will show you exactly what we've got. So it's now the next day, and I had a really lovely evening with Domino's Pizza. We watched Tall Girl 2 on Netflix, which was just a very easy to watch, very predictable storyline, but you know, just a really easy film to watch. And then we had those donuts that you saw. Obviously we didn't have all 6. We opted to have the caramel ones. They were really delicious. So I wanted to just quickly show you the little present that Tim got me for finishing my last exam and finishing semester, and it's actually this massive box of Cadbury favourites, but this is the party edition, which we've never had this one. There's loads of like really different chocolates in here. You've got like Freddo, Caramello Koalas 12, Tropical Pineapple Dairy Milk, basically a real fun mix of everything. So I thought that was a really nice little present to receive, and I will obviously share this with Tim because this is an absolutely ginormous box. But plans for the next little bit of the day, we're going to go out for a walk. I think we're maybe going to have a picnic later and maybe just pick up a few little bits and bobs from the supermarket that we need. We're just out on a walk in some very lovely nature and scenery. It's a bit windy, but it is very, very warm. And the plan is we're going to have a little picnic in a bit. So we're just heading off home to actually make the picnic, and then we're going off to a different park to have that. We're now at the park. We found a little bit of shade to just sit in to have our picnic in a little bit. So I've made some fruit. We've got melon and pear, and we've also got a slice of pizza each from the pizza last night because we didn't quite finish like our last night's quota of pizza. So we're gonna have that. Then I've got a Pepsi Max as well, and yeah, just enjoy chilling in the park. I've had my piece of pizza. It was absolutely outstanding, as to be expected. We've now moved into the sun a bit now, just to, I don't know, warm up, catch a few rays. So we are back from our really lovely picnic in Windmill Park, and we decided to just walk up to Woolies because we were over halfway there and just thought that we'd pick up a few little bits that we need for the next few days before we go to Sydney. I think this vlog will probably come out after we've been to Sydney, but anyway, we're going to Sydney for Tim's birthday in literally like 3 days time. But I thought I'd quickly just show you what we picked up from Woolworths. So having a little stock up on some porridge. So really like the Uncle Toby's ones. These are like their bougie ones. So we opted for these raspberry, almond and vanilla porridge sachets, and then just these big bowl of banana and honey. So these are both like new flavours to us, so excited for those. Picked up some wraps because we're going to do wraps and salad for the next couple of evenings. Some soy sauce, I guess it's just a cupboard staple, but I'm doing a stir fry as well, I think Wednesday, so that will come in handy. And then I got myself a little treat to go with the leftover Domino's tonight, and it is this chocolate milkshake that actually was reduced to $1.74, so I thought that would be really nice to go with my pizza tonight. Bag of salad to go with the wraps. Some Singapore noodles to go in the stir fry. I've already got some stir fry veg in the freezer. Some more of the Nescafe Gold Choc Mocha Milky Bar sachets because we finished the previous ones we had. They were so tasty, and they were actually on offer again, so just picked up some more. And then the last thing is just this teriyaki chicken stir fry sauce. So we're not actually doing chicken with the stir fry, we're just going to do vegetables, but thought that the teriyaki sauce sounded really nice, and then it said to add as well just some extra soy sauce, that's why we bought that. So that was everything I picked up from Woolworths, just a little few bits and bobs for the week before we go away. Plans for the rest of today, I think I'm gonna have a coffee and just chill out for a little bit. We might go out for another walk in a little bit because it's only like 10 to 2 and it's still really nice and sunny outside. I've got work this evening, so gonna have an early-ish dinner tonight before I head over to work for 8 o'clock. So we're just chilling outside again. I really don't know what's going on with like my crazy hair and why my face looks so like orange from this sun. But we've just been admiring some kangaroos, although there was a massive male which was kind of creepy because as we walked past he like stood up, and it's literally like 3 times the size of the other kangaroos, so we swiftly walked past. We are probably going to head home soon to have our pizza a bit earlier tonight. Obviously I've got work tonight, well, obviously, but I have work tonight, so I don't want to be like too full of pizza before I go. So yeah, that's pretty much just the plans for the next kind of hours. now time to have the leftover Dominoes, and I'm very excited. I've got this evening, or we've got this evening, is it the barbecue meat lovers?
It is the barbecue meat lovers.
The barbecue meat lovers and the garlic scrolls. So I'm going to enjoy this. So a bit more time has passed. I've just been chilling, just catching up on some Lego Masters and just some bits and bobs on YouTube. I am now all ready to go to work. I've just got this like jumper on and tied my hair. I don't know why my hair looks so greasy. I think it's because I've had my like cap on all day. But anyway, off to work. It is now the next day and I have got ready. Obviously used my Colourpop Orangey Cloud eyeshadow palette for this nice bright orange look. We're just going to go out for a little walk now because it's really nice and sunny again. Just coming up to 10 o'clock and thought we'd get out for a couple of hours before I think we're going to come back and have our lunch here, and we're also going to film another video together. We're going to do a taste testing video, which I think will be the video out next Sunday after this one comes out. But yeah, I'll tell you a bit more about that later, but just off out for a couple of hours. So we're just out on a little walk. I said it looked warm and sunny, but it's actually quite breezy, which is why I've opted to put this jumper on. Tim's always living in his shorts and t-shirt and sliders, but I am not. It's quite a bit later now. It's just coming up 10 to 1. I've actually been already editing this video as I kind of go. Tim and I have also just filmed another video. We taste tested actually this box of Cadbury favourites. I think I said earlier that that will be the video that comes out next Sunday after this video. So if you're interested in seeing us taste testing these and what we thought of them, then check that out next Sunday. So I'm gonna hopefully get that video edited today as well, and like exported and uploaded and all of that malarkey. And I'm not really sure, to be honest, what our plans for the rest of the day are. It's got a bit overcast out there, and we went for a walk earlier. It was quite windy and actually not that warm. I mean, it's still like 20 degrees, but when it's 20 degrees and like cloudy, it doesn't feel that warm. So I finished editing the trying Cadbury's favourites chocolates video. That's just exporting. I've made the thumbnail, which you would have just had a little sneaky peek of. Tim's actually just gone out to get some beers for later. I was going to walk with him, but I did like 26,000 steps yesterday and my legs are absolutely killing, and I had work and it's like stacking shelves and a lot of like squats and lifting and stuff. So yeah, my legs feeling pretty tired, so I do feel bad not going, but I've got a few little tasks I need to do here. I need to, oh no, have I lost it already? No, I haven't lost it already. I need to sew the button back onto Tim's shorts, so his work shorts, so probably quite vital to have a functional button. And I've also been left with the task of choosing tonight's movie, so I'm probably going to spend like ages scrolling through Netflix and hopefully finding something to watch. I'm kind of thinking maybe the new Adam Sandler movie, because I have heard quite good things about it, but yeah, I'll see what other little gems pop up on Netflix. And it is a bit later on again, it's just gone 2 o'clock. I'm just gonna have a little snack before we probably have quite an early dinner. So I've got some fruit, I've got some melon and some pear, and I've also got this yogurt, which is reduced to 50 cents. I don't think I'd pay $1.80 for it. It seems quite expensive for like a little pot of yogurt, but got that, and also got, you would have seen the white chocolate mocha Milky Bar Nescafe. So I haven't tried those ones yet. I had the gold ones, which were outstanding, and you would have seen already in this video we just repurchased them because we'd finished them, but thought we'd give the white chocolate ones a go as well. So the little snack and drink was great. The sun is back out. It's actually the nicest the weather's been all day. Weirdly, now we've decided to just chill out. The plans for the rest of the day, just watching a little bit of Lego Masters. We are having a couple of drinks later. I said Tim went off to Liquorland to buy some more beers. So just thought it would be quite a nice way to finish off this weekend, kind of celebrating me finishing my first semester at uni. Oh, and I have chosen a film to watch on Netflix as well. I'm really sorry, I can't remember what it was called. Oh, it's called Poms. We thought it was very apt. So yeah, hopefully that will be good later. But thanks so much for watching this week's vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.